you all can get a free Nikon jacket, caps, pen and many more. You can see the Nikon goodies here. 4 of them are out of stock because many people are getting this type of goodies and swags from Nikon for free. How to get this for free, I am going to explain in this video. So if you also want to get this caps of Nikon, keychain, pens and this type of bands and also the Nikon jacket which cost approx 2000 for free, then there is a link in the description. You just go through the description and tap on the link and you got this type of tab where you need to fill this form only by doing this you can get a free swags, and this is 100% genuine because my many friend has already get this type of swags from Nikon. So you can see the whole form. Very minor details is required, but the main important thing is your mobile number, which is unique for any sign up. I know you can sign up with many accounts of Google account, but the important is your mobile number, which is unique for all. So you can do multiple sign up by multiple mobiles by yourself. Now I'm going to show you how to fill up this form. You can see firstly you need your mail, and after that this is the important. If you have any Nikon camera, then you just tap on yes, and if you have not, then just tap no. So when you tap no, it needs a camera number, means camera model which you have. If you not have, I'm going to show you what to write in this. But if you have a Nikon, then you need to fill which camera model, which serial number. So there are many details which is required, but also they give you 5 points extra. But you have not, if you have not a Nikon camera, so just put this. I have also not a Nikon camera, so I just put this model number. You also can write this model number, and after that your name, your country, and after that state, and after that city. So while filling up this type of things, means your address and this country and your city, you need to be careful because your all swags and goodies will be shipped at this address. So be careful while filling up your address, mobile number, postal code and many more things. So after completely filling up this form, just submit this form, and now you need to go through your Gmail account or a mail. When you go to your email, you find that an email come from Nikon where your username and password are there, and also there is a click here option. When you tap on the click here option, you got this tab, and here you need to fill up your username and password. If you doesn't remember your password or username, you just go back on your email, and there you got your username and also your password. So just fill up your password and username, which is your email. So here you can see when you log in by username and password, you got that. Here you can get 70 points, but minimum requirement of points for getting any swags is 100. So how to get 100 points, I am going to show you in this video. But from here you can see many more things, just like some notes, which is mainly your terms and condition, or we say privacy concerns. You can just read all of this. I doesn't find anything important in this. Let's jump to the important things. Firstly, redeem goodies. When you tap on this, as we all know, we all are here because of we want swags and goodies from Nikon. So here you can see there are many things which are out of stock and many things are in stock. So when you want anything from here, you need some points. Just like minimum points you want for a key ring is 100. And after that you need more points to get any of the things. All the points are mentioned below all the goodies. So how to get the points, I am going to show you in this video. If you sign up, then you also have 170 points. Now how to get a keyring or anything, so just come here. Firstly, the second thing is redeem workshop. So here when you tap on this, if you are a photographer or you are interested in photography, then this is a very important for you because there are many workshops and webinars by world leading photographers you can attend from here. You just go through your location and many more. But now I am going to show you how to get the points for free and how to get this goodies for free. So when you go through here your profile, you find there is an option of refer a friend, and here you can see this tab where my point you can see in the left, and here you can write email of your friend or relative or anyone. By this way you can refer up to 100 peoples, and when they sign up then you got a 25 points. So you can see I just mail my friend, and when he signed up I get 25 points more. So when your friend sign up you got a points, and as you got a points which is eligible for getting goodies minimum 100 points, then you just redeem any goodies which is in stock. You also can wait for the goodies which you want. So I think this video is very helpful for you, so please like and subscribe and share.